Replacing the battery in your Mercedes-Benz does more than just restore power. When the old battery is disconnected, multiple electronic control units lose stored memory. Modern Mercedes models rely on complex ECUs to manage transmission behavior, infotainment security, window calibration, and even advanced driver assistance systems. That's why, after a battery change, you may notice rough shifting, inactive auto windows, or warning messages. The good news is, many of these resets can be done yourself before heading to the dealer. Important steps: 1. Reset the windows by fully raising each window, then holding the switch up for about 5 seconds to restore the auto function. 2. Reset the sunroof by sliding it fully open, holding the button for 5 seconds, then closing it completely and holding again for 5 seconds. 3. Enter the radio security code if prompted, usually found in your owner's manual or service records. 4. Drive the vehicle for 20 to 30 miles under mixed city and highway conditions to allow the transmission to relearn shift patterns. 5. Check for any warning lights related to driver assistance or hybrid systems. 6. If warning lights remain or safety systems malfunction, schedule professional diagnostic service.